Make a great choice today with the 2017 Cadillac XT5. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, remote engine start, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, traction control. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, child safety locks.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.